Yo, what's going on, my impossible creators? This is what you just saw. I took a photo of this, put it on the surface, and prompted what you saw to grow from around it. You can use other products as well. So I have a couple of other items here. I have tomato sauce, so maybe you want tomato sauce to be your product, and you can have tomato rolling out from around it and tomato plant. Or cereal. You can have, I don't know, maybe bees flying around, honey pouring out from the top, perfume or cologne. You can have plants, colorful plants that's growing from around it. So these are just a few ideas. So that being said, let us jump into what step one looks like. So the first thing you're going to want to do is copy this prompt that I have in the descriptor. And wherever you see the brackets in this prompt, go ahead and swap it out with whatever makes sense for you. So swap this out with, tomato sauce if that's what you're doing, or perfume, etc. And then kind of go on through each additional bracket that we have here. Doesn't need to be perfect how you're writing it, because then you can go ahead, drop it into ChatGPT and ask Chat to clean it up for you. And then once you get what it spits back out to you, you're gonna go ahead and paste it in Adobe Firefly. So I'm on Adobe Firefly Video. You're gonna get a couple of options. You're going to select video and then actually hit more. And more is going to take you to where you can drag and drop your image that we just created or took a picture of. Mine is already here from like the history. So you can go ahead, drag your image. I have it on my desktop. Crop it how you want to crop it. Let me kind of run you through how I have the different drop downs set up as. So Firefly, I'm using Firefly Video. I have the resolution. Actually, I want to bump it up to 720. Because it's a vertical image that I have, I'm going to keep it at 9 by 16. But these are your options here. Keep it, and then the other two, keep it the same. And then go ahead and hit generate. I did that earlier. I'm going to play what resulted, which, boom. So that was it. So I'm excited to see what y'all come up with. Thanks for watching.